So let's talk about Bitcoin. By the way, I have mentioned this in other videos. I have sore throat. I'm a little bit sick, so the videos might not be that long. 97,600, and the voice might not be that good if you are in love with my sexy voice. So we have a support at 97,300, and believe it or not, this wick that you see that just dropped, it reacted to 97,300 like clockwork, which means that the level of respect for 97,300 is still there. The market is still trying to be nice to us by respecting the areas, but at the end of the day, the question is how long, right? So we will address that too, as how long, because we are seeing some structures. They are very small, extremely unreliable, but we will take it for whatever the market offers. I'm seeing some double tops here, and just a second. Yeah, so it's a very small double top. Actually, on 1 hour you will see it even in a more fancier manner. Then it will become very obvious. Now you can see the double top. It's very clean and sweet. And maybe now if you 97,284, 97,300. Anyway, the overall situation is that if the double top breaks 97,500, forms two candles below it, okay, on 1 hour, because we are looking at on 1 hour, which means if it goes below it for 2 hours, then it is going to deliver on this structure, and the deliverance of this structure is what? $1,000. So it will shoot down towards 96,500, and I think things are going to get fancy there, because at 96,000, not 500, at 96,000, if it comes down here, it will create a inverted cup and handle, which is again a bearish structure. This is the handle, this will be the cup, then the deliverance will become bigger. It is going to be 98 to 96, that's 2000. From 96 to 2000, that's 94. Yeah, so we will start the downward journey after all, but that's too early to talk about. We have more bullish environment here, and that is this big ass cup and handle, sorry, this big ass double bottom, and the neckline is at 100k. We have already discussed this previously. It really needs to go towards 100k, break that for 2 days, and then we would assume that the journey towards $120,000 has started. But if Bitcoin is not able to do that, then we have to assume that, okay, all this movement was just to go up here again, and we have seen it. Look, first time when it came down, it went and reacted, it came down, right? And then it went and it reacted, it came further down. This time it's not even bother touching it, and it is moving sideways. It either needs to break it, or it will again come down, which is nothing new for Bitcoin. Bitcoin has already done this 1, 2, 3. It has almost done this 3 times up till now, so it wouldn't be a shocker. The only thing we care about is confirmation. It either needs to break the 100k and declare that the journey for $120,000 has started, or it goes back down towards 92,500. We see how it reacts to that region, then it how reacts to 90k. After losing 90k, finally we will see 85k. But we have so many areas of retest, so the journey downward is not going to be comfortable. Upward is not. It is stuck inside this range, and it's a pretty wide range. But I have mentioned this, I think 5-6 months ago, that the Bitcoin ranges are now going to be $10,000. They're not going to be 3,000, 5,000. They're going to be bigger, and that is exactly what we are seeing here. It's a 90k to 100k range, so it's very obvious, and it's just because that the coin has gone to such a higher price. Now the $10,000 price in dollar value seems high, but in percentage value, according to the overall price of the coin, it makes sense for it to be 10K, because when it was at $30,000, $3,000 was the 10%, but when we are sitting at $100,000, 10% is $10,000. So a 10% move is a very common move. It's nothing serious. It's just that in dollar values it seems too much. Anyway, I'll see you in next video. You already know the support in area and what to do with it. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.